Very good morning, children. Very good morning. All of you open your math textbooks now. All of you open your math textbooks. So in the last class, we learned okay rules, addition rules. What are the main addition rules? Tell me addition rules. The first rule is that you can change the order of numbers, but answer does not change. You can change the order of numbers while adding them, but the answer does not change. Means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, or 2 plus 3 also 5. Observe carefully. So order, here order will be changed, but the answer does not change. So this is the first rule. Okay, the rules are very important. So this is the first rule. And the second rule is a okay, 0 added to any numbers gives the same answer. Use the same number as the answer. Okay, 0 added to any number. 0 added to any number. Okay, gives the same number as the answer. For example, this is the first rule. And the second rule is that 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 0 is also 3. So observe carefully. So when you add any number to 0, మనం ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ కి 0 ని యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే the answer as the the number as the same answer. తిరిగి అదే నంబర్ మనకు ఆన్సర్ గా వస్తుంది. ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ తో ఓకే ఎనీ నంబర్ ఓకే 0 added to any number, 0 added to any number, it gives the number as the same answer. తిరిగి అదే నంబర్ మనకు ఆన్సర్ గా వస్తుంది. So this is the second rule. And the third rule is when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. When you add 1 to any number, the answer is the number that comes after. After numbers. For example, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, or 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Look at here, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 4 after number is 5. Okay, when you added any number to 1, ఏ నంబర్ అయినా సరే 1 కి యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఓకే the answer it comes after number. మనకు after number వస్తుంది. So these are a rules. So these 3 rules are very important, and also addition table. The addition table also very important. So 1 to 9 addition tables. Why? Because all the problems are depending on only that addition table. So all of you learn okay addition tables compulsory ma. Andaru kuda addition table నేర్చుకోవాలి. Okay, all of you open your textbooks. Look at your textbook. Page number 26. Look at your textbooks. Page number 26. Page number 26. So for 26 the first row is finished na. First row అంటే ఇది పైనది. So this is finish. And the second one. Okay. Nine 3 plus 6. And next one is 4 4 plus 4. 8 1 plus 7. And last is 2 3 plus 4. So this is the questions. Okay. And then so this is questions. So in the addition table 3 plus 6. How much in addition table 3 plus 6? 3 plus plus 6 is equal to 9 in addition table. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 and this is only 9 mark. There is no other digit. So write here 9 only. Okay. Remember one point here. You always start from ones place value. You always start from ones place value means ones means beside. Ones place value means okay left side. You always start from ఇక్కడ నుంచి start చేయాలి. So this is the ones and tens place value. Are you understood, children? Are you understanding? Okay. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 in addition table. Or ఇది కాకపోతే addition table కాకపోతే another method కూడా ఉంది. So first 3 plus 6. First keep in your mind 3. Keep in your mind 3. Then add 6. So 6 numbers na in your mind 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. But don't use fingers. Don't use fingers and don't use these lines. Don't use lines. And don't use fingers. Especially lines ma. Don't use lines. Assal lines ni use cheyakudadu. So ఇప్పటికి ఈజీగా ఉన్నా కూడా ఈ నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్ ఇట్ మేక్స్ వెరీ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇది చాలా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. సో డోంట్ యూజ్ లైన్స్. అన్నిటికన్నా ఈజీ మెథడ్ ఓన్లీ లెర్న్ అడిషన్ టేబుల్. The addition tables makes very easier to do the all addition problems. Okay. So next one is 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 in addition table. First one is 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8. 8. And only 4. In next digit only 4 is there. So write 4. So 48. How much ma? 48. All have to write down in your textbooks, children. Write down in your textbooks 48. Okay. Don't use this method. Don't use. ఈ మెథడ్ ని ఎవ్వరు కూడా యూస్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. లేదంటే సో అడిషన్ టేబుల్ రాకపోతే అనదర్ మెథడ్ ఇస్ 4 plus 4. First keep in your mind first number 4. Then you add 4. First keep in your mind 4. Then you add 4. After 4 in your mind 4. After 4 which number comes now? After 4? 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. So first keep in your mind 4. Then add 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So write 8 here. And next as it is 4. Why? Because there is no other digit na. So 4 as it is 48. So but remember one point ma. You always start from ones place value. Always start from ones place value. Next one. Third question. 1 plus 7 and 8. 1 plus 7, 8. So 1 plus 7. In addition table 1 plus 7. And also rule also is there. Mantika rule kuda undi. Okay. When you add any number. Okay. When you add to 1 any number. When you add 1 to any number. Okay. It comes after number. ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ కి ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే దాని నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ మనకు వస్తుంది. మీన్స్ 7 ఆఫ్టర్ నంబర్ ఇస్ 8. సో 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. is also 8. So 81 plus 7 is equal to 88. Okay. Next, all of you write down these answers in your textbook now. Write down these answers in your textbook, all of you. Observe carefully now. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే in ones place value 2 digits is there, but in tens place value only single digit is there. Okay, and another one is there. Only all these problems are without carry problems. Without carry. So the last one. 3 plus 4. How much na? 3 plus 4. In addition table, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Addition table, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 2. So 27. All of you write down in your textbook na? Write down in your textbook. The next is the second bit. Write down, finish. Second bit. Look at your textbook, second bit. Is this finished? Yes, second bit. Second bit ma. Look at your textbook, second bit. One sentence is there. The second bit. Add. Okay, add the first one. Okay, write like this ma. In your textbook they already given ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, there is no hundreds place value, ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Okay, write like this. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. They are already given in your textbooks. All information they are already given in your textbooks. These lines, ones and tens also. Okay. The first one is the 67 plus 21. 45 plus 11. 18 plus 30. 14 plus 25. 47, 22. 27 plus 62. So this is the question. Okay. Observe carefully. So in this first bit, In ones place value only 2 digits. Sorry, in ones place value 2 digits. But in tens place value only single digit. Isn't it? But in the second bit observe carefully, two digits. Okay, 2 digits. Observe carefully, two digits. But all these questions are without carry problems. అంటే ఎక్కడ కూడా మనకు క్యారీ రాదు. ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ వితౌట్ క్యారీ. అంటే క్యారీ రాదు మనకు ఎక్కడ. క్యారీ మీన్స్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇలా వచ్చేదాన్ని క్యారీ అంటారు. ఓకే ఓకే నేను మళ్ళీ ఆ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. ఓకే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రాయడం 7 plus 1. How much? First you always start from ones place value. You always start from ones place value. Okay. So 7 plus 1. How much is 7 plus 1? Or 1 plus 7 in addition table. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Next 6 plus 2. So 2 table. 6 plus 2 8. So in addition table 2 plus 6. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 8. 88. 67 plus 21 is equal to 88. Okay. 67 plus 21 is equal to 88. You always start from ones place value. So this is the one method. Another method is okay. First you keep 7 in your mind. 7. First you keep 7 in your mind. Then add 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So write 8. Next 6. 6 plus 2. How much is 6 plus 2? First keep in your mind 6. Then add 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So this is the another method. First method is a learn tables. And second method is a keep in your mind good number. Then you add another number. So allow change. So there is a 2 types. Okay. As you like, this method change. The best and very easiest method is you have to learn tables. అదే మీ టేబుల్స్ గా నేర్చుకున్నట్లయితే చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, we will meet in next class. I will explain same this problem in next class. Okay, we will meet in next class. Okay, thank you.